Pandas are fascinating creatures, and their unique habits and lovable nature make them a favorite among many. Let's learn about pandas. Pandas are like couch potatoes of the animal world, lazy, clumsy, and always hungry. They spend most of their day eating or sleeping, which makes them pretty hilarious to watch. Even though they only eat bamboo, they're not very good at digesting it, so they have to keep munching all day long just to stay full. It's almost like their full time job is eating, and they never seem to get tired of it. You know what makes pandas even funnier? Is how clumsy they are. They often trip over their own feet, rolling around for no reason. And when they try to climb trees, it's like they are practicing how to fall down. Watching a panda roll down a hill or flop onto the ground is always a good laugh. Their silly, playful behavior makes them one of the most lovable animals on the planet. Let me tell you some interesting facts about pandas. Pandas eat mostly bamboo. Around 99% of their diet is bamboo, and they can eat up to 12 to 38 kilograms of it each day. And they are classified as bears. Pandas belong to the bear family, which explains their bear like bodies and habits. Even though they are clumsy, pandas can climb trees, especially when they are trying to escape. And pandas have 6 toes. They have a special thumb, an extended wrist bone that helps them hold and strip bamboos more easily. Another interesting fact is that baby pandas are born extremely small, about the size of a stick of butter and weigh just around 100 grams. And next, they eat about like 10 to 16 hours a day because bamboo is low in nutrients. Do you ever see pandas swim? Pandas can swim. They are strong swimmers, so they can cross rivers and streams if they need to. And they prefer to live alone and only come together during the breeding season. Though their population is slowly recovering, they are still considered a vulnerable species, with only about 1,800 pandas left in the wild. Pandas are cute and lovable creatures, and their unique habits and lovable nature makes them favorite for many people.